aches and pains from heartbreak. Guess you could say I caved. Should never let you in this way, or salt in my wounds, recklessly ruining my days, killing me with the way you say my name. It'd be nice to know if you still felt the same. You had the upper hand in this sick game. I'd do anything for you to know me. You should know me by now. You should know me by now. Tell me, how did we go from lovers to strangers? It's inconceivable. We must have fallen asleep at the wheel. Oh, what a missed opportunity. Don't you see, you're still killing me with the way you made me feel. Holding on to memories that don't seem real, playing tricks on my mind. It's so surreal. I'd do anything for you to know me. You should know me by now. You should know me by now. You should